How do the richest Arab women really move across the world? What do private jets, floating palaces, and gold-plated supercars say about power, influence, and identity in a culture shaped by tradition and luxury? Take Princess Haya. Her camel costs more than a Manhattan penthouse. Or Princess Amira, who once had access to a plane with a Rolls-Royce garage on board. These aren't Hollywood fantasies. Let's explore the luxury of the Arab world's most powerful women. Princess Haya of Jordan, daughter of the late King Hussein and former wife of Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of the United Arab Emirates and ruler of Dubai, has lived a life shaped by royalty, elegance, and immense wealth. Her approach to travel is a blend of discretion, comfort, and high luxury, making her one of the most fascinating figures among the Arab elite. While her wardrobe features iconic pieces from top European fashion houses and exquisite jewelry, it's her mode of travel that reflects true opulence. Princess Haya often vacations aboard some of the world's most extravagant superyachts. The chief among them is the MY Dubai, originally commissioned by Sheikh Mohammed. This yacht stretches approximately 162 meters, making it one of the longest in the world. It includes 7 decks, 49 cabins including VIP and master suites, and hosts up to 115 guests. Its interiors are adorned with marble, gold, and luxury amenities such as a cinema, spa, disco lounge, and a grand pool. Her lavish lifestyle even extends to the unique, like a camel worth nearly $2.7 million, acquired by Sheikh Mohammed during a high-profile camel beauty contest. A cultural tradition in the UAE. On land, Princess Haya's access to luxury continues with an elite car collection shared with Sheikh Mohammed. Among the most notable vehicles is the Bugatti EB110, a rare model from the early 1990s, valued at over $3.1 million. Other high-performance vehicles include the Bugatti Chiron, Bugatti Veyron, a Mercedes-Benz G-Class, Rolls-Royce Phantom, Bentley Continental GT, Lamborghini Aventador, and an Aston Martin 177. Their garage also holds a Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG and a rare McLaren P1 GTR, valued at about $7.1 million. One highlight is the Ferrari Enzo, worth more than $2.8 million, one of only 400 ever produced. Beyond wealth, Princess Haya is known for her humanitarian work and for the resilience she demonstrated during a very public legal case in the United Kingdom in 2019. Her journey shows that in the world of Arab royalty, power and luxury go hand in hand, but so do strength and independence. If you thought a $2.7 million camel and a garage full of Bugattis was extravagant, wait until you see what flying like royalty really looks like, complete with gold detailing and a throne in the sky. Next. Princess Amira Al-Taweel is a globally recognized philanthropist and advocate for women's empowerment. She entered the Saudi royal family through her marriage to Prince Al-Wali bin Talal Al Saud, one of the world's wealthiest investors. At his financial peak, Prince Al-Walid's net worth exceeded $20 billion, making it more than 8 times that of King Charles III of the United Kingdom. While their marriage ended in 2013, Princess Amira remained in the public eye. In 2018, she married Khalifa bin Budi Al Muhairi, an Emirati billionaire entrepreneur, further securing her position in elite circles. Though her personal wealth is estimated between $18 and $20 million, her lifestyle reflects access to high-value assets and global luxury. Her travel style is a blend of heritage, prestige, and innovation. Her car collection includes some of the world's most exclusive vehicles. At the center is a custom Rolls-Royce Phantom, featuring 24-karat gold detailing and bespoke interiors, valued at approximately $450,000. She also owns a Bugatti Veyron, one of the fastest production cars ever built, worth around $3 million, along with a Mercedes Maybach S650, and known for its advanced luxury features. For performance, she prefers a Lamborghini Aventador and a Ferrari Pininfarina design model, both offering sleek design and top-tier speed, perfect for moments of style and thrill. In the skies, Princess Amira once traveled aboard the royal fleet used by Prince Al-Walid, including a custom Boeing 747-400 with private suites, a gold-accented dining room, and a throne room. His most ambitious aviation project was the Airbus A380 Flying Palace, which featured a spiral staircase, a wellness center with floor display flight views, a prayer room with computerized mats aligned to Mecca, and even a garage designed to carry a Rolls-Royce Phantom. Though the aircraft was sold before delivery, the concept remains a benchmark in luxury air travel. But what if your yacht had its own helipad, and your private jet was just one of a fleet of royal aircraft worth hundreds of millions? Let's turn to a Qatari icon whose influence matches her incredible taste. But before we continue, I have a special 10-second request for all of you listening. If you can help me in any way, just press the notification bell and hit that subscribe button. It means the world. It really supports this channel. And if you do that for me, I promise my team and I will do everything we can to make this show even better for you. Sheikha Moza bint Nasser of Qatar is widely known for her influence, elegance, and leadership. Born in Al Khor, Qatar, in 1959, she is the daughter of Nasser bin Abdullah Al Missned, a prominent political figure. In 1977, she married Sheikh Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani. When he became emir in 1995, Sheikha Moza quickly became a global figure, not only as consort but as a force in education, philanthropy, and fashion. Her lifestyle reflects the highest levels of luxury, especially in how she travels. Sheikha Moza is known to spend time aboard the Al-Taweel, a 73-meter superyacht named after the modern Qatari city. It includes a helipad, swimming pools, and interiors designed for royal-level comfort. Another vessel linked to her family is the Qatara, a 124-meter yacht capable of hosting 35 guests and 90 crew. Valued at more than $400 million, it ranks among the most expensive yachts in the world. The family is also associated with the Haya, previously known as Al Merkab, a $300 million yacht featuring 10 guest suites, a private cinema, a pool, and a helipad. For air travel, the Qatari royal family operates Qatar Amiri Flight, a private airline created in 1977. The fleet includes Gulfstream G650s, Airbus models like the A340, a 320, and a 350, as well as 3 custom Boeing 747-8s, each worth over $400 million. These jets are designed for maximum comfort, with private suites, lounges, and fine dining service. On land, the Al Thani family's luxury car collection includes models such as the Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6, Rolls-Royce Phantom, Lamborghini Centenario, La Ferrari Aperta, and rare editions of the Bugatti Veyron and Bugatti Chiron. These vehicles serve not only as transport but as symbols of wealth, status, and taste. Sheikha Moza is also internationally recognized for her fashion. Without a personal stylist, she consistently appears in pieces from Chanel, Hermes, Jean-Paul Gaultier, Stéphane Roland, Ralph and Russo, and Valentino. Her signature turban-style head wrap, worn in place of a traditional hijab, has become a hallmark of her style, combining modesty with couture. As of 2025, Sheikha Moza has more than 630,000 Instagram followers. Whether she is traveling for official duties or enjoying private retreats, she remains a symbol of modern Arab royalty, blending influence, intellect, and impeccable style. Elegance isn't always loud. Coming up next, one queen shows us how luxury can be fused with diplomacy, security, and style, all while reshaping the role of a modern royal. Queen Rania Al Abdullah of Jordan, a royal who blends luxury with purpose. Born Rania Al Yassin on August 31, 1970, in Kuwait City, to a Palestinian family from Tulkarm, she earned a degree in business administration from the American University in Cairo. Before entering royal life, she worked at Citibank and Apple and Amin. Her life changed when she married then Prince Abdullah bin Al-Hussein in 1993. When he became King Abdullah II in 1999, Rania became queen consort, and soon after a global icon of diplomacy, education, and modern Arab womanhood. While Queen Rania is known for her public service and international influence, her travel style reflects security, refinement, and state-level luxury. She and her family move in armored convoys, combining elegance with advanced protection. At the front is the Rolls-Royce Phantom, a royal favorite customized with bulletproof glass and armored panels. Also in use is the Bentley Bentayga, a luxury SUV chosen for both comfort and discretion. For higher-risk events, the family relies on the Mercedes-Benz S600 Guard, designed to resist gunfire and explosives while offering a smooth, understated ride. For air travel, the Jordanian Royal Fleet includes a Gulfstream G650 and a custom Airbus A340. The Gulfstream offers global range, high-speed connectivity, and private workspaces, ideal for long diplomatic missions. The Airbus, tailored for royal use, features private suites, lounges, and secure communications. Both aircraft are equipped with advanced security and anti-surveillance systems. At sea, Queen Rania and the royal family enjoy the superyacht Sarafsa, built by Devonport Yachts and designed by Andrew Winch. Measuring approximately 269 feet, it was ranked 55th among the world's largest yachts in 2010. Owned by King Abdullah II, Sarafsa includes sun decks, private salons, and serene guest suites, delivering quiet luxury at sea. It offers the Queen a place for privacy and reflection, away from the public spotlight. Now, let's step outside the royal family, but not outside the realm of elite travel. What happens when a self-made beauty mogul takes the wheel of luxury herself? Huda Kattan, the founder of Huda Beauty, stands as one of the most influential self-made women in the Arab world. Born in Oklahoma to Iraqi parents, she moved to Dubai in 2008 to pursue a career as a makeup artist. By 2010, she had launched a beauty blog, and in 2013, she introduced Huda Beauty, a brand that quickly gained global traction. By 2017, Forbes valued the company at around $1.2 billion. As of 2025, Huda's personal net worth is estimated at over $500 million. Though not from royalty, her lifestyle reflects a level of luxury comparable to the region's elite. A major expression of that success is her car collection, each vehicle chosen for its blend of performance and prestige. One of her most recognized cars is the Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG, a symbol of power and wealth across the Gulf. With its bold design and luxury features, it's a favorite among celebrities and entrepreneurs alike. Also in her garage is the BMW X5, offering a balance of elegance and practicality. This SUV is known for smooth handling, advanced tech, and everyday comfort. Huda also drives the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, a leading executive sedan that combines innovation, comfort, and understated luxury. Crowning her collection is the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, the brand's first SUV. With a V12 engine and a value near $350,000, it offers handcrafted interiors, quiet power, and unmistakable refinement. Every car Huda owns reflects her journey, from artist to business icon. Her travel style isn't just about luxury, it's about movement with purpose. Huda Kattan proves that Arab women can lead industries, live boldly, and enjoy the finest rewards of their success. What inspires you most about Huda's journey? Her business success? Her honesty? Or the way she made a name for herself in a world that often celebrates legacy over hustle? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and follow the channel to discover more interesting things. Princess Fahda bint Falah Al Hithlain, as the wife of King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, the current monarch of Saudi Arabia, she occupies a position of prominence within one of the world's most powerful royal families. The House of Saud holds an estimated collective net worth of over $1.4 trillion, largely tied to Saudi Aramco, the state oil company, and the most valuable corporation globally. This wealth enables an unmatched standard of living for its senior royals, from private islands and custom cities to elite travel across land, sea, and air. Though Princess Fahda keeps a notably low profile, her travel preferences reflect the highest tier of royal privilege. The family's yacht collection includes the Serene, a $500 million vessel owned by Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman. This yacht features 2 helipads, a seawater pool, a cinema, and an underwater viewing room. Also notable is the Prince Abdulaziz, stretching nearly 147 meters and capable of hosting 64 guests in luxurious suites. For air travel, the Saudi royal fleet includes a Boeing 747-400, transformed into a flying palace with gold fixtures, private suites, and full-service dining, ensuring luxury even at 40,000 feet. On land, the family's car collection reflects the same elite taste. Princess Fahda's household has access to rare and customized Mercedes-Benz G-Class EVs, Rolls-Royces, Lamborghinis, Bentleys, and Bugattis, many adorned with gold accents and one-of-a-kind designs. These cars are more than transportation, they are rolling symbols of power and legacy. From the seas to the skies, Princess Fahda bint Falah Al Hithlain embodies discreet royal influence, where tradition meets elegance and wealth translates into every journey. Finally, who says power must be inherited? Let's meet a woman whose journey to luxury was built not on a crown, but on a balance sheet. Hana Al Rostamani, a powerful name shaping the future of banking in the Middle East. As the Group Chief Executive Officer of First Abu Dhabi Bank, the largest bank in the United Arab Emirates, Hana Al Rostamani holds a position of unmatched influence in the region's financial landscape. Under her leadership, First Abu Dhabi Bank, commonly known as FAB, has solidified its status as a regional banking giant. In the year 2023, FAB reported a net profit of approximately $4.5 billion. By March of 2024, the bank's total assets reached nearly $336.3 billion. These milestones underscore not only the institution's strength but also Hana Al Rostamani's strategic impact. Her financial reach extends beyond banking. She serves on the board of the AW Rostamani Group, a major Emirati conglomerate with ventures in automotive, real estate, retail, and lifestyle. While her personal net worth remains undisclosed, her executive roles in multi-billion-dollar institutions place her at the forefront of economic power in the region. Through the AW Rostamani Group, Hana Al Rostamani is also connected to the world of luxury. The group represents elite brands such as Vernier, Georg Jensen, and American Rag within the UAE's high-end retail space. While there is no public record confirming her personal use of these brands, her proximity to them suggests a deep understanding of luxury markets and clientele. Moreover, her influence touches the travel industry. She is closely linked to Al Rostamani Travel and Holidays, one of the UAE's top luxury travel providers. Known for curating tailored travel solutions for high-net-worth individuals and elite corporations, the company offers everything from first-class airline packages to private cruises and bespoke leisure experiences. Whether leading billion-dollar financial strategies or navigating luxury travel networks, Hana Al Rostamani embodies a new kind of power, one that merges executive influence with a refined, high-luxury lifestyle. In a world where wealth often speaks through royalty, she proves that corporate leadership can be just as commanding when it comes to how the richest Arab women travel. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot to us. Click on the video that appears on your screen right now. I hope you'll love this content. Comment below about the next topic you'd like to see featured on our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for being with us. Leave a comment, like to show your support, and remember to hit that subscribe button for more exciting videos. See you next time.